Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max guys generation from year 2012 to year 2015. And if you guys have a problem where you need to remove the cylinder door lock guys because yours is damaged, you need to replace it, somebody tried to steal your car, or actually it rusted, you haven't used it for a while because you just have the remote and you need to remove it, to clean it, to soak it, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. It's not very complicated, it will take you probably less than 20 seconds to do that today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 2 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Another thing, if you want to save quite a bit of money on car parts, tools, anything for your car guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain how to do that. We have a cylinder door lock only on that driver's side on that Ford C-Max guys. Okay, right here, only on the driver's side. And in order to replace it guys, okay, that's the one we're talking about. Okay, right here you can see. In order to replace it, you need to open your door. The moment you open the door guys, okay, you will have one cap right there. That cap get a plastic prying tool, not a screwdriver, because you will scratch your door, and pull it out. It's kind of like plastic, it's really hard. Here you have a cable that you will kind of like need to push to the left a little bit, and it's an Allen wrench, but actually ours, okay, give me a second, the Torx tool works as well. And we start unscrewing, okay, let's hold the door for a second. Okay, I'm unscrewing, and at the same time, with the other hand, you're shaking the cylinder door lock until it gets loose. You might need to unscrew quite a bit. Let's shake it a little bit, left, right, up and down. Okay, and eventually it will come loose. Okay, it's getting there. Still unscrewing. Okay, let's check now. Okay, perfect, it came out guys. This is the door lock cylinder guys, right there. In case you need to remove it, replace it, all we have to do, get that cap out. Okay, you can see just right here, it pops right out and you're practically ready to go. That's how you guys do it. Putting it together, it's in reverse order, we'll take it apart, you just slide it in, get it tight, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching and see you next time.